Now I request all the participants to stay with us till the completion of our last session of this FDP, that is valedictory session. So soon we will going to start this session, and you have to open your webcam or camera devices, and you have to say a few words or sentences regarding this total 5 day or 1 week FDP, what you have learned, what are the various things you have learned, what are the things you have faced, or any issues you have faced, or any problems, anything you can share about this 5 day FDP on 3D printing and design. So till then, for 5 to 10 minutes, I will take break, and I'll going to share links of these sessions, feedback links and attendance links. So you have to first fill all the feedback forms so that your attendance will be marked for all the sessions, and simultaneously I'm giving the test of the this FDP session. You have to fill the Google form of the test also. So I will not going to close that test, will not going to freeze that test. So you have to send that test form link today evening or tomorrow morning. Okay, so I'll be giving it ample of time to fill that test. So don't get confused in the test. That is simple and quite interesting also. So I want to know what you have learned from this session. I once again thanks all the participants to sparing their time, valuable time, and learning a lot of things from this FDP. So we will going to be start the valedictory session soon after a short break.
మన ఇంప్రెషన్ అని చెప్పాడు
Now we are going to start with our valedictory session of this 1 week faculty development program on 3D printing and design. I once again welcome you all participants for this valedictory section, and I thank all the participants, speakers, our HOD, our principal sir, our college management, AICTE, for giving us opportunity for conducting this 1 week AICTE Atal Faculty Development Program on 3D printing and design, organized by Lord's Institute of Engineering and Technology. So in association with the Center for Product Design Development and Additive Manufacturing, Usmania University, Hyderabad.
Good afternoon to one and all. Hope you all might have enjoyed the Atal FDP organized by Mechanical Engineering Department. I also got good feedback from several participants. I am really delighted. Hope you all enjoyed. Several people have given good lectures who have come from various parts of the country and abroad. I really thank all the resource persons for spending their valuable time in this Atal FDP. And I also thank the participants for your sincere participation and the habit of learning good skills from this FDP. I once again appreciate the Department of Mechanical Engineering and head of the department, Dr. Azam Basha, for taking this 3D printing and design aspect for the Atal FDP. And I also thank all AICTE authorities for sanctioning this FDP for Lord's Institute of Engineering and Technology. I thank our chairman, vice chairman, secretary madam for giving us the facilities to conduct this FDP a grand success. And I also thank the co-coordinator, the faculty members of Mechanical Department, teaching and non-teaching, for their support throughout this FDP, making a grand success. Thank you, one and all.
Now, I invite Dr. Syed Azam Pasha Kadri, sir, HOD of Mechanical Engineering Department, Vice Principal Administration of Lord's Institute of Engineering and Technology, for oath of thanks. I welcome you for the session, sir.
Yes, good afternoon to one and all. I myself, Dr. Syed Azam Pasha Khadri, Head of the Department, Mechanical Engineering, Lord's Institute of Engineering and Technology. On behalf of Lord's Institute of Engineering and Technology, first of all, I thank to AICT Training Learning Atal for sponsoring 1 week FDP on 3D printing and design. AICT, through newly established AICT Training and Learning Atal Academic, has started unique faculty development program in various thrust areas of modern technology. 200 such programs have already been conducted in various government institutes, benefiting around 10,000 faculties, research scholars, and PG students during the academic year of 2019 and 20. Seeing this success of this initiative, AICT Atal Training Learning Atal Academy have announced to organize 500 AICT Training and Learning Atal Academic FDP across the country for the academic year of 2021. Now, I would like to thank one and all who has participated, as well as who has came here as a resource person. We are very much thankful to the Joint Director and Director of CPDDAM, Osmania University, for providing their Center of Excellence. I thank all the resource persons one by one. Dr. Y. Ravikumar, Sir, Associate Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, NIT Warangal. Next, Mr. Tirupati Balaji, founder of iForge 3D Rapid Prototype Technologies Limited, Hyderabad. Similarly, Mr. Muhammad Ibrahim Jalil, renowned yoga coach in GHMC and General Secretary in State Yoga Point. Third, next one, Mr. K. Rakesh, entrepreneur, MS VSD, Hyderabad. Dr. Noor Ayman Tukender, Professor, Department of Manufacturing and Material Engineering, IIUM, Malaysia. Dr. Ayman Madacharis, Associate Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, IFHE University. Next, Dr. Abhinandan P. SVS, Institute of Medical and Dental Science, Mahbubnagar. Dr. L. Shivaram Krishna, Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, University College of Engineering, Osmania University. Dr. Sriram Venkatesh, Professor, University College of Engineering, Osmania University. Mr. Yash Ramesh Kumar, Scientist, F from DMRL, Hyderabad. Dr.
मैं थोड़ा सा सेक लेता हूँ
Raj Sir, Scientist, ARCI, Hyderabad. Dr. Falguni Professor, Department of Biomedical Engineering, IIT, Hyderabad.
Next, I would like to thank all the repeated members for these sessions for giving their valuable and precious time in their busy schedule. And lastly, I would like to thank to the management of Lord's Institute of Engineering and Technology and the principal, Dr. P.V. Nasimlu sir, and the co-host coordinator for this entire FDP, Mr. Muhammad Abdul Junaid, Assistant Professor, Mechanical Engineering Department.
So now I request all the participants to say a few words about their experience of this 1 week Atal AICTE FDP. Yes, if you want to say something about this FDP, what you have learned, or what is your feedback, or what you were expecting more from us, so that we can organize the same development programs in near future.
Yes, hello.
Hello, sir.
Actually, I'm Ranjit Kurma. Actually, I'm also a researcher on behalf of this 3D printing, especially bioprinting technology. So, yeah, both the FD program regarding all the topics, both are very much interesting. And one more thing I can say that Ultimate Curio software, whenever we operate it, actually in my research work, I use it as a tissue scaffold. And whenever I want to make some .stl file to slicing it, so with the help of this kind of Curio software, I can handle it and make some kind of scaffold material. And practically, I can say one more thing, that is, it is very much interesting for me that whenever I see the metal-based 3D printing technology and metal-based orientation program, metal-based powder, also different kind of biomaterial, not only the biomaterial, I can say, the different kind of materials used here. And especially, I can say the particular one session is very good. Actually, all of the sessions are very much excellent and very much interesting for me. So thank you, sir, all of you, and thank you, Lord's University. This is my actually acknowledgement to you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you to be a part of this FDP, sir. Yes, Dr. Prashant, if you want to say something, you can.
Sir,
Yes,
should I
sir.
say?
Yes, sir, you are audible, sir. Please continue.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm Prashant Amara from SIS Engineering College, Nerul, Mumbai.
Yes, sir.
I was known 3D printing, but I learned a lot in 3D printing now. I was only aware of the various techniques that are used in 3D printing, but the various applications that were explained in this FDP, the faculty development program, are really encouraging and motivating for taking this as a research topic. And the way it was explained, that was also good. I am happy to learn the few softwares also. Also, the medical applications and aerospace applications were properly explained. So, also I want to say thanks to Mohammed sir, who coordinated the entire program very well. And each and every information was properly given by Mohammed sir. Thanks to sir, you, and to all the speakers who enriched our knowledge in 3D printing. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Dr. Jain, if you want to say, you can.
Yes, sir, the program was very nice.
Okay.
Communicated good, and the sir coordinated very nicely.
Thank you.
And the pretty more information we conveyed that time. And so it has been so many so we could gather, from where we could start our research work and clinical practice in a better way. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Actually, a lot of efforts have been taken to arrange speakers from NIT, IIT, Usmania University, doctors from Premier Hospital, SKS, Mehboob and various speakers from the EMIL, ARCI. So, it was a lot of efforts taken by them. Anyhow, I thought that was wonderful session. If you gain more knowledge from this FDP, We will sure in future we will going to conduct the same and more number of faculty development programs similar in the other areas also. Thank you.
Yes, sir, definitely we are looking for some hands-on sessions at your institutions. If anything is coming like this, sir, please inform us.
Sure, ma'am. Thanks, to be an active, one of the active participants, ma'am. Yeah, Prashant, if you want to say.
Prashant sir, would you like to speak anything from Lord's Institute of Engineering and Technology? Please proceed, sir.
Mr. Prashant Khardi, please.
Okay, any other participants would like to share their views or any suggestions for improvement for the next time? Please welcome.
Assalamualaikum, all of you. Dr. Zahir Ahmed from Offshore College of Engineering and Technology.
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much for conducting such type of program. My thanks go to your management and vice principal and Bhola sir and madam. The program is so nicely designed, and we learn a lot regarding the 3D printing. Even though myself itself may belong from manufacturing and industrial, but by attending this program, I learn a lot. Little bit from regarding the audio system with you. So most of the time while you are talking with your system, then that was not good. Most of the time the voice is by madam is so much good, but regarding the Junaid sir, the voice is not clear. Please don't mind. Please try to improve your audio system, because I am also your senior and brother. Whatever you felt regarding me. And even just now your voice is not clear, that is not audio. So even the speaker voice is so much clear, and if possible kindly provide the videos, because you know I am also working as a director here, director research. So most of the time I was in lecture, and sometime I was not could not attend properly. If you have some foundation regarding that videos, then the speaker told you please do not pass to the participants. Then no problem. If they allowed you to please give us the presentation and videos, so that because I did PhD from IIT Delhi, so I am also 2 or 3 students has been completed PhD under me. So I am also planning to register a student under the topic of 3D printing. Thank you. Dinesh sir, second thing is there, due to my tight schedule, I could not submit your assignment. So kindly waive of it. No, what time?
Hello, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, any subtractive manufacturing techniques, like this milling, that kind of any
shall I do now? Shall I do now for Namaz, because Namaz is going on.
hello, sir.
Yes, ma'am. We will going to soon conduct that kind of sessions or seminars, webinars or faculty development programs. But I want to know whether it belongs to mechanical or medical field, ma'am? May I know your specialization?
It's a postdoc, sir. I'm a postdoc.
Okay.
Actually, from dentistry, you are addressing only maxillofacial surgery part. In personal specialty, so much of subtractive manufacturing and additive manufacturing we are using, sir. So the implants, full mouth rehabilitation, crown and bridges, sir. So that also, when next time when we conduct, sir, that after one postdoc who will be able to speak about this also, sir. It was nice to incorporate.
Sure, ma'am. But when you made regarding this FTP, whether it will be useful for to have the facility in the future, so I replied that this session will definitely useful for you.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Here we have Dr. Muhammad Asadullah. They, if you want to say few words, you can say, please.
Hello, sir. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello.
Sir. Hello, sir. Sir, from the subtracting.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you very much. The session was very good, but there was some technical problem maybe in my internet. So it was not sometime very clear. Overall, these 4 days were wonderful, and we knew about Osmania University, of Osmania University, what all facilities they are having. That was really wonderful, and I hope we will be connecting every 2 or 3 months. That will be wonderful. Thank you very much, everybody.
Thank you for your valuable feedback, sir. Thank you very much. Mr. Prashant sir from Lord's Institute of Engineering Technology would like to share any of feedback, sir. Please proceed.
Yes. Very good afternoon to all.
Good afternoon, sir.
So first of all, I want to thank you all the participants and all the speakers. They have given good information regarding 3D printing. So and I want to thank two hosts, co-host and host, members Abdul Junaid and Simona Devi madam. They have coordinated very well, and because of their effort, we completed successfully, and we got good knowledge about the 3D printing also. So I want to thankful our head of the department also for giving opportunity to conduct this in our college. And thank you all the staff and participants. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for your valuable words, sir. Thank you for your encouragement.
Is there any person who want to give feedback online so that we will develop ourselves in organizing the similar faculty development programs in the future with more quality of technical devices, so that our video audio quality is going to be improved in upcoming faculty development programs. So is there any participant who wants to speak? So regarding the feedback links which I have shared, I request all the participants to fill in as soon as possible, so that you will be given attendance more than 80%, and your feedback will be shared to AICTE. And lastly, I request to give the feedback link as well as the test link given to your WhatsApp group. And the last and the most important thing for getting the certificate is you have to give feedback by giving online, by going to online of AICTE Achal website. You have to log in and you have to go to the feedback section. In the section, you will be able to find feedback. If you give feedback, then only you will be given certificate from the AICTE. So hope within a week we are going to get and receive the certificate to all the participants. I once again thank all the participants and apologize for any inconvenience regarding the organizing FTP and facing the problems log in, log out, or my voice is clear. I apologize once again for my voice in the quality. Thanks once again all the participants to be consistent and asking various technical questions to the speakers and gaining more knowledge and converting this session as an interesting. So now I want to conclude this session. I once again thank AICTE, Lord's Management, our speakers, for giving us opportunity for organizing this FDP. Thanks.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Mohammed sir?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Sir, through where you will send that Google form, sir?
WhatsApp, ma'am. I've already shared. Please check your WhatsApp.
Oh, WhatsApp number.
Miss
Miss
Sumitra,
Sumitra,
madam, please check your WhatsApp. Group.
Okay, sir. Up to what time you given a time, sir?
The time will be in the afternoon. I will going to close. If not in the morning, ma'am. Tomorrow morning I will going to close. So hope I will going to receive all the feedback and the test as well from all the participants till tomorrow morning. You have been given a spell of time to fill the test feedback forms. All are requested to fill and send as soon as possible to get more than 60% marks and more than 80% attendance, so that you will be given certificate from the AICTE. Don't forget to give feedback from the login by logging your AICTE account. I once again thank all the participants, our HOD, our principal, management of Lords and Osmania University, Professor Sriram Venkatesh, Professor L. Ramakrishna, and all speakers. And lastly, our co-host, Miss Dunga Devi, for consistently cooperating with us. Thank you.
Mohammed sir, thank you so much, sir. Actually, I didn't get any link here, sir. Sorry for the disturbance. For what number you given, sir?
Number.
Atal FDP, ma'am. Ma'am, there is a WhatsApp group of Atal FDP, ma'am, where we are constantly updating in the same WhatsApp group, ma'am. We did not send it anything personally.
Sorry.
Yes,
Sorry,
ma'am.
sorry.
It's okay,
I
it's
did
okay.
join in that Atal FDP, ma'am. Sorry.
You did not join, ma'am.
No problem.
Actually, through mail only I communicated and I joined in these classes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
I didn't.
I will share the link to your mail, ma'am.
Mail. Can you send it, sir? Mail.
Sure.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Ma'am, thank you so much, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. No problem. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, sir.